Good conductance of density. The density is all about the density. Metals are normally crystalline in nature, and metals are normally crystalline in nature, and are density packed, and are density packed. So my dear student, it is quite clear that nature and are density packed. As a result, density of metals is, as a result, the density of metal is quite high, however, sodium Na, lithium Li, and potassium have density lesser than water, and potassium have density lesser than water. So my dear student, metals are normally crystalline in nature and are density packed. As a result, the density of metal is quite high. However, sodium, Na, lithium, Li, and potassium have density lesser than water. Next point is melting and boiling point. Next is the melting boiling points. Melting points and boiling points of metals. So my dear student, metals generally have high melting. Metals generally have high melting and boiling points because the constituent atoms are closely packed, and there exist are closely packed and there exists a strong force of attraction between them. What are the closely packed? However, gallium and cesium. Melting point 302 Kelvin, and cesium melting point 303 Kelvin have very low melting point, These metals will melt if keep on palm of our hand. These metals will melt if we kept on palm of our hand. Next, so the metals generally have a high melting and high boiling point because the constituent atoms are closely packed and there exists a strong force of attraction between them. However, gallium 302 and cesium 303 have very low melting point. These metals will very keep our palm on our hand. So last one is the sonority. The 10th one is sonority, the sonar power of metals. Metals are sonorous. Metals are sonorous. So most metals give a deep and resonate. Most metals gives a deep and resonate ringing sound when struck. Sound when struck. When they are going to struck, then they give deep and resonate sound. Resonate ringing sound and resonate when struck. The metals which produce such sound on striking. The metals which produce such sound on striking are said to be sonorous. Are said to be sonorous. Are said to be sonorous. That is why school bells and church gongs are. That is why school bells and church gongs are made of metal or these alloys. Are made of metals or these alloys. So my dear student, metals are sonorous. Most metals give a deep resonant singing sound when struck. Resonate ringing sound when struck. The metals which produce such sound on striking are said to be sonorous, and that is why school bells and gongs, church gongs, are made of metals or of their alloys. So my dear student, this is all about the topic of metals and non-metal, physical properties of metals and non-metal. So my dear students, you are going to understand. Oh my dear student, you are going to understand the metals and non-metals of the chapter number 3, the metals and non-metals. So my dear student, you should be quite keep in your mind that from the November 1st, I am going to start the crash course of chemistry CBSE class 10th 2026 board exam. 400 questions of 4 chapter. The WhatsApp number is 91624 13917. You should message me, and the live classes will go from November. The fees is 1000 only per head student. That is the paid classes. So my dear student, give more views, like and share of this my videos, and share to those students who are very needy. My dear student, I am going to clear all the things that 400 questions should be give you 90 to 95 plus. So my dear student, thank you for watching my videos. Give more views, like and share to those students who are needy, and thank you for watching my videos. Suraj Anand and Chemistry Wala Teaching. Thank you.